Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Nelson Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and if you not just subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build the mathematics community. Now, we have a very nice question here to solve. Comes to Ali Muhammad from the University of Ghana, Legon, for sending me this question. I think Alupak also sent the same question and I have to provide the solution for you. Now, this is a very nice question. How do you solve it? If you have the solution, leave it at the comment section before I proceed. Now, let's go to business. A piece of wire of length 20 centimeters is cut into two pieces. One piece of length x centimeters is made into a circle and the remaining piece is made into a square. We have to find A in centimeters squared. Sum of the area of the circle and the area of the square. And we have to show that the stationary value of A occurs when x equal to 20 pi or divided by 4 plus pi. Now, it is very interesting, but you will get it. Now, let's see. We have a piece of wire. So this is our piece of wire of length 20 centimeters. And it has been cut into two pieces, which are of not equal size. We don't know. So let's see that we've cut here to be x. Then the remaining portion will be 20 minus x. You get this basic idea. Now, we are going to use this to form a circle and we will use this to form a square. Now, this is our circle of length x, which means that the circumference of this circle is equal to x. So here, x equal to 2 pi r. Very, very simple as that. I have a rope which is x centimeters long. Sorry, a wire which is x centimeters long. So if I use it to form a circle, the circumference of the circle will be x centimeters long and it is equivalent to 2 pi r. Okay, how do you use this to form a square? If you have a wire of length, let's say 8 centimeters, I want to use it to form a square, then a square has equal what? Sides. So you divide this into 4 because a square has 4 equal sides. So you have here 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 should give you 8. Because the wire that you are going to use to form the square is of length 8 centimeters. So you have to divide it into 4 equal parts to get the size of the square. Very simple as that. So now, to form a square with a wire which is 20 minus x centimeters, we have to divide 20 minus x into 4 equal parts to get each side of the square. So now, let us form the square. So now this will be our square. I'm not good though. That's my square. So this side will be 20 minus x divided by 4, 20 minus x divided by 4, 20 minus x divided by 4, and this side also will be 20 minus x divided by 4, all in centimeters. You should do that. And this one, let me put the centimeters here. Wow. So if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 20 minus x. Now, let's go to our question. Okay. So, what do we do? Let's find the area of the circle. The area of the circle is given by pi r squared. But we know that x is equivalent to 2 pi r. So from here, you have x divided by 2 pi equal to the radius. Very simple. So now we can say that the area of the circle is equal to pi times x divided by 2 pi all squared. That is, I've substituted the radius back into the original equation for the area, and that I'll get the area of the circle to be pi times x squared divided by 4 pi squared. You square the x, you square the 2, you square the pi. And this implies that the area of the circle will be equal to x squared divided by 4 pi in centimeters squared. Now what about the area of the square? For the area of the square, let's represent this by area of the circle. The area of the square will be equal to length times breadth. So I'll have 20 minus x divided by 4 times 20 minus x divided by 4, and that will give me 20 minus x all squared divided by 16. Wow, very simple, which can be simplified as, okay, let's leave it here and then use it. After that, you go, because we find the area, so there's no need proceeding further. Let's end up here. Very simple as that. So now we can answer question I. You have to find the area in centimeters squared. So let's find the area in centimeters squared. So the area will be area of the circle plus area of the square. That will give us x squared divided by 4 pi plus 20 minus x all squared divided by 16 as the total area, and I have to put it in centimeters squared. Wow, that's the answer for I. We are not going to simplify it. Let's leave it there because we are going to use it here. Now, you are done with the first part, right? So let's do the second part. We are to show that the stationary value of A occurs when x equal to 20 pi divided by 4 plus pi. Now how do we do this? At the stationary point, the first derivative is equal to 0. Wow. The first derivative is equal to 0. So here, we have to take the derivative of this with respect to x. So we have the derivative of the area with respect to x equal to dx of x squared divided by 4 pi squared, 4 pi plus 20 minus x all squared divided by 16. This is equal to, we have to differentiate this. If we differentiate this, we are going to get 2x divided by 4 pi plus, here we are going to differentiate it using the chain rule. So these two can multiply the original function. We have 2 times 20 minus x, then subtract 1 from the 2 to get 1. Then we differentiate what is inside. If we differentiate 20 with respect to x, we get 0. If we differentiate minus x with respect to x, we get negative 1. All divided by 16 equal to dA on dx. Now we have x divided by 2 pi minus, into bracket, 20 minus x divided by 16 equal to the derivative of a with respect to x. Very simple as that. So let's simplify this. You have this to be equal to, let's leave it here. Let's leave it here. So this is the first derivative. Now at the stationary point, the first derivative is equal to 0. So let's equate this to 0. So we are going to have x divided by 2 pi minus 20 minus x. Okay, let's use this part of the board. Please, if you are enjoying the lesson, leave your comments. If you have any suggestion to leave it at the comment section. Like the video for it to go viral. Now, the derivative of a with respect to x is equal to 0 at the stationary point. So we take x divided by 2 pi minus 20 minus x divided by 8 rather. 2 go to itself 1, it will go into 16, 8 to equal to 0. Now, let's send this one here. We have x divided by 2 pi equal to 20 minus x divided by 8. If you like to, you can find the LCM and multiply 2 by the LCM. And if you want to find the LCM here, it is very simple. 2 can divide 8, so you have 8 and you attach pi to it. Because 2 pi should be able to divide this. So you multiply here by 8 pi, you multiply here by 8 pi, you multiply here by 8 pi. It will go. But I prefer using it this way. So here I'll do cross multiply. 8 will multiply this. I'll get 8x divided by 2 pi equal to 20 minus x. Wow. So here 2 will go to itself 1, 2 will go into x 4. So I'll have 4x. Oh, I'm wasting time. Let's do it straight. Let's do it. 8 will go here. I'll have 8x. 2 pi will go here. I'll have this is equal to 2 pi to bracket 20 minus x. I don't want to expand to get a higher numbers. So we have 4x equal to pi 20 minus x. So I'm going to have 4x equal to, I think the camera does not capture this area, so let me write it at the top here. We have 4x equal to 20 pi minus pi x. We have 4x plus pi x equal to 20 pi. If we factorize x out, we have 4 plus pi equal to 20 pi. We have x equal to 20 pi divided by 4 plus pi. And that is to be shown. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson. I am Mensa Augustine. Please kindly subscribe for me, share the videos, let the video go viral. Subscribe and leave your comments. Bye bye.